Professor Opentoys YouTube channel. Welcome, boys and girls, back to Professor Opentoys YouTube channel. Today we have a brand new toy, but before that, let's tell our corny joke. Why do ghosts love elevators? 'Cause it lifts their spirit. You don't like that one? Tomorrow, come back. We'll tell you another one. Today, we have from CAT, or from, what's the name of this place? Hold on. Toys State. A new CAT Bulldozer. What? Oh, it talks. That's cool. Get out of my way! Careful, I'm backing up! That's good, I like this. Oh, I'm opening in and out. Oh, it's one of these turny things. Oh, I'm turning it the right way. No, the wrong way. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. I'm going lefty now. Oh, this is cool. I got a big mound of dirt in my backyard. This is going to be helpful. Hold on. That's good job. I hope you enjoyed today's toy. Boys, go out and get one. Girls, if you like to get your hands dirty, go out and get one too. Thanks for watching. Bye. What does Professor Opentoys always say? Love your toys, and they will love you back. Thanks for watching.